What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another cocktail video, and it is the summer themed cocktails returned with the Thatcher'S Gold Slush, and I will show you how to make this simple but effective cider slush. So what you want to do, guys, is get your blender and put in about 10 ice cubes. So crack open the Thatcher'S Gold. Yeah, we're going to need more ice cubes. But I think we'll easily get 2 pints out of this. Right, now we've got our head on, now we'll give it a good blend, about 20 seconds. There we go, perfect. As you can see, it's a nice white colour. But like I said, I think we should be able to get about 2 pints out of it. As you can see, we've got plenty, we've got enough for a second drink out of this, easy. So what you do is get a straw, and there we go, it's as simple as that. There is your Thatcher'S Gold Slush. And there we go, one Thatcher'S Gold Slush or Slushie. How does it taste? It tastes like something that is absolutely refreshing, that is absolutely gorgeous, that is. That is beautiful. I could totally drink that all day because it's nice and perfect for summer. Just get some ice in a blender with some cider, enjoy a cider slushie because it's absolutely perfect. Because if you love cider, you'll love the slushy version of it. Because I could just sip it all day, especially on the beach, especially in the hot weather. Because I wish I was going abroad, but I'm not. But that is the Thatcher'S Gold Slush or Slushie. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And I will see you guys for the next cocktail video. Cheers.